In the realm of LinkedIn legends transforming professional networking into success, you'll elevate your career and business with strategic LinkedIn mastery. This immersive course catapults your professional presence and opportunities to new heights. As the premier platform for professional networking, LinkedIn opens doors to vast networks of industry leaders, potential partners, and opportunities. Why this course? In an era where your professional online presence can significantly impact your trajectory, mastering LinkedIn is not just an advantage, it's a necessity. LinkedIn Legends inspires and instructs on maximizing LinkedIn's potential, ensuring you connect with the right people and make lasting impressions. Enhance your personal brand, expand your business, or engage with thought leaders. This course provides strategic insights to achieve those goals. Kickstart your LinkedIn journey, perfect your profile, connect with content, unlock group dynamics, amplify with ads, bolster your personal brand, utilize analytics, leverage endorsements and recommendations, and optimize opportunities. Ideal for professionals, entrepreneurs, marketers, and anyone eager to unlock LinkedIn's full potential. Enroll in LinkedIn Legends today, craft your legacy, and open doors to unprecedented success. Your future awaits.